Okay, first off, ignore my horrible hair right now. It'll be blue come Friday, and my weird hairstyle. Don't feel like having it down because it's not straight, but yeah, decided I'm gonna make a video for my Rissa, and why she doesn't ever message me whenever I'm on Facebook and she's on Facebook, and it saddens me because I'm all alone. I'm all alone in this room, and my dad is asleep. My dad's been all sad, but yeah. So yeah, I've just been all alone, and Marissa ain't messaging me, and it's making me sad, cause she's Marissa, and who else am I gonna talk to about random things and boobies and I love vagina t-shirts or something weird like that? She's my favorite friend. Yeah, favorite friend. My favorite lesbian friend anyway. So I have a lot of favorite friends, but still, yeah. Just wanna know why. Why don't you ever talk to me? Am I not good enough for you? Are my boobs not nice enough for you? I'd like to know these things, cause yeah. That makes the lighting look so much better. So I guess I'm gonna move over here. Yeah. Aha! Anyway, why you no talk to me? Why you no? I popped the little why you no meme thing, but I'm not that smart with my laptop, even though I've had it forever. But yeah, hold on, text message. But yeah, why you not talk to me? Why are you so mean to me? Yeah, why are you so mean to me? Why you not talk to me? Do you still have that guitar pick? Our friendship guitar pick? You better still have it. If you don't, I'll be sad. I'll be sad. I'll be really sad. Because that guitar pick is my life. You lose that, and I commit suicide. I'm just joking. I probably would never commit suicide because, well, that's just, no. I enjoy my life. I enjoy my weekends. I enjoy randomly walking to Hughley's and talk to people. I enjoy hitchhiking. I enjoy Tosh Point oh. I enjoy talking to my favorite lesbian friend. And I hope she doesn't get offended by me saying that, because that'd make me feel really bad. She's like one of my best friends. Shit. Stuff. Shiz. Yeah. So the video is like almost 4 minutes long. But I'm gonna see how I can go talking about Rissa. Why she don't text me? Why she don't message me? Why she don't talk to me? It pisses me off. Well, it doesn't really piss me off, but you get what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload this on YouTube though. I might. YouTube always seems like the best thing to do. But yeah, Rissa messaged me back, and well, I need a new battery for my laptop. That's besides the point, because my battery's on like zero, like right there. It says 0, and then it's plugged in, but it ain't charging. It won't charge. But anyway, that's besides the point. That's not why I make this video. I make this video because my woman, girl, one of my best friends, don't ever talk to me on Facebook, ever. And it angers me, because she's my best friend, and who the hell else am I gonna talk to? But no one else is online, and I'm all alone. I don't enjoy talking to myself like I am right now, pretty much. How do people do blogs and vlogs, or what are the flipper swatter squirrels people do, they talk to their freaking webcam. You're like talking to yourself, honey. There's no audience on the other side of your laptop. It is you. It is you. But yeah, anyway, I'm feeling really weird right now, but kind of tired. I mean, it is like 10 o'clock. You know, I'm usually up till like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, but I got freaking exams tomorrow, so yeah. And my hair looks really bad. It looks really bad. But it's okay. It'll be fine come this Friday. Because it'll be blue. And I'll be happy. And I won't be called Skrillex anymore. Yeah, get called Skrillex. Wanna know why? You wanna know why? You see this madness? Yeah. Well, yeah, Skrillex. Shaved. Not shaved. Well, it is underneath, but yeah. Get called Skrillex. And it angers me that people call me that. But I'm getting off topic like I always do. Whenever I talk on things, my hair looks really bad. I'm just gonna pull it up. I really don't care how my hair looks right now. Because you wanna know what? It's 10 o'clock at night. And I'm all alone in my room. And my best friend, Rissa, ain't talking to me even though she online. Because obviously, she don't love me like I love her. I bought her a guitar pick from Hughley's because she's my best friend. And because I have money to buy a guitar pick. Even though I wanted the box. Little head thingy. Because the box sounded like a good idea, but didn't have enough money. So I bought her a friendship thing because she's my best friend. Well, one of my many best friends. Like 4 best friends. Yeah, that's about it. But yeah, this video is like 7 minutes long, so I'm gonna get off here. And for some, why you not talk to me? Talk to me, woman, girl, please. Anyway, I love you.